Make up to $4,000 on complete autopilot, no matter wherever you are coming from, and most importantly, for free. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a lot of money using a site probably most of you have never heard about before. Anyways, just before I show you everything, if you like this type of content, then show your support by giving this video a big thumbs up below. And if you don't want to miss out any future videos, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notifications so you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. With that said, let's now jump straight into the video itself. Okay, so let's get right to it. This site that will be paying us today is called Kickstar.com. This site, as you can see, where you can get real Instagram followers, and we know that it's alleged thanks to the bunch of huge companies showcased on here, like Forbes, for example. Now, the thing with this website is that it doesn't get you followers by you buying them. Instead, what you need to do is find profiles similar to your own, since the followers may like your page too. As you can see, what happens from there is Kickstar essentially does all the work for you. It will post of people who follow profiles similar to yours on your behalf, just by keep adding relevant profiles to get the maximum exposure. And in this fashion, people will see you in their notifications, and chances are they'll want to follow you back simply because they are following pages similar to your own. Because you engage with similar audiences, most of those people will follow you back. As long as you post quality content frequently, success is guaranteed. So as you can see, guys, like I said, you don't get followers with this site by simply buying them outright. You instead get people who might like your page to follow you. So don't you worry, guys, we won't be paying this site whatsoever, because as I know, we are talking about a free strategy here. That of course begs the question, what are we doing here? How will we get us paid? Well, we'll be promoting it as an affiliate. And don't click off, guys, because this site is arguably one of the highest paying sites. And I'll show you exactly how to do this. By finding targeted traffic, in any case, you need to scroll down to the bottom of this page and then simply click on affiliates right here. So this is basically where you'll sign up to become an affiliate, and when you do so, you'll get an affiliate link, and whenever someone sign up via the link, you get paid. How much? Well, check this out below. This offers you 50 commissions. This is why I said it pays a lot of money. This is one of the highest paying sites as far as affiliate marketing is concerned. For most websites, you're lucky to get 30%. This site offers you 50. Now, in case you don't know how much affiliate marketing, what 50 commissions means that you get to keep 50 of a money that the customer you referred here pays Kickstar, which, as I said, is huge apart from that. However, they also have some very nice features as well: a 45-day cookie lifespan, 100 timely payouts, you always get paid on time, monthly newsletters with cool features and deals. And here you can see you'll actually get bonuses and get paid more money, which is awesome to say the least. And finally, you'll have access to them as an affiliate management team. All great features buys on the bottom of the page, and you can read some testimonials and frequently asked questions, but I won't go over them. What I instead want to show you is how much money we are actually talking about, because a 50 commission doesn't mean anything if the prices are low. Clicking on pricing will show you exactly how much money we are talking about. And on this page, you can see that they have two pricing plans, standard and premium, which cost $50 and $150 respectively. So if someone grabs the standard plan and you get paid $25, which is a decent amount of money for just a single customer, guys. Not to mention the fact that we'll go for the premium one as well regardless. So if you get 100 people to sign up to the standard plan, ignoring the premium one for now, that means you make $2,500, which is quite a bit. Moreover, I'll be showing you a traffic source to allow you to literally reach thousands of people out there. Anyways, something I have to mention because it's a fantastic feature that I think this makes the site even better is the fact that it has a 14-day money back guarantee. This is very important because people don't want to give away their money just like that, and rightly so, which is why when you tell them there is a 14-day money back guarantee, there is much better chance that they'll give Kickstarter a try, and when they see how much it is helping them, I can guarantee you that they'll want to keep using it and thus earn money you more on the site. It's fantastic to promote as an affiliate, guys. To get started, just come over here and click to sign up. Enter in your first and last name, email address and password. Complete this captcha by clicking on I'm not a robot. Tick this box and then click on sign up. Now to create your brand new account, with all that done, let me show you how you'll be able to get traffic to your affiliate link. Believe it or not, Google will be helpful here. Now something we'll be doing here is very similar to something we did in any of my previous videos. That you want to do, guys, is search for a city or town and a business. For example, it can be in gyms in some city or whatever, or a store of some sort. Literally any business in any town or city that you can think of anywhere around the globe. I decided to search for bars in Philadelphia. As you can see, what you want to do when you search for business type is scroll down and click on view all right here. This will show me all the bars in Philadelphia, and as you can see, there are a lot of them. That what you need to do is just randomly pick any of these and click on them. Your second step is to click on the website here. That will take you over to their website, obviously, and it's on their website that we can see that they have any social media accounts. And most businesses nowadays do simply because they understand the value and importance of online marketing. The info about their social media can be generally found at the bottom or the top of the page. Either way of their page, it's located right here, and I just have to click on Instagram in order to open their account. Now, not all businesses will have Instagram accounts, and how many of them do depends highly on the type of businesses we are talking about. If you don't have any account, then move to the next business until you find one. The second important thing is that you need to set the account to not have too many followers, because if they won't be interested in using Kickstarter, they would have less than 10,000 followers. Then that's fantastic, and this one, as you can see, has only 2,000. What I'll know, you guys, is simply contact these people and tell them that there is a site that will increase the number of followers for a very cheap price, and that more followers will make them look for more appealing to future customers and will get them more customers in general. This strategy works, guys, and the reason is, first off, because most businesses nowadays have Instagram accounts, but most businesses don't have that many followers on the very same account. Since we are talking about businesses, the second and arguably more important fact is that they'll have a bigger budget and some money to spare, which is exactly why they are the perfect customers. They have the money to spare and they'll also need the followers. Kickstarter will bring them, you get paid when they get their followers, which will increase the number of customers they'll get. So literally everybody wins in this case, and you can just repeat the same processes with other businesses all around the globe. You'll never run out of customers, and this is the best thing about this strategy. This is it for today's, guys. If you like this type of content, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification. Bye, see you soon.